So, good evening all, welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. So, due to power failure and it was raining more here, so we are not able to give in time, but moreover just now the power has come back. So, I started okay. In the morning session also due to power failure I did not continue up to 12 o'clock. Okay. So, today directly I shall move to, because already joined most of our regular viewers. Okay, thank you one and all. So, now change of axis, change of axis. So, now the ninth question we need to discuss once again. If the axis are rotated through an angle of 45 degrees and the point P has new coordinates 2 root 2 comma root 2, then the virginal coordinates of P are first option 1 comma 3, second option minus 1 comma 3, third option is 3 comma 1, fourth option 3 comma 3. Okay. If the axes are rotated through an angle of 45 degrees, the P becomes, the new coordinates of P are 2 root 2 comma root 2, then virginal coordinates we need to find out. So, this we need to do. So, first table you take it like this: capital X, capital Y and small x and small y. This will be cos theta, this will be minus sin theta, this is sin theta, this will be cos theta. So, now here capital X, capital Y given, that means you write down like this: 2 root 2, here root 2, here angle is how much? Theta is equal to 45 degrees, theta is 45. So, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, minus sin 45 is minus 1 by root 2, here sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. This will be small x and small y. So, we need to find out now small x and small y. This small x is equal to, you can write capital X cos theta, 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2, 2. Next we have capital X, this is small x is equal to capital X into cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. So, that means actually here minus root 2 into 1 by root 2, that will be minus 1. So, you get 1. So, now y equals to, so this into this 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2, that will be 2. So, this will be root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So that means original coordinates are 1 comma 3. So that means first option is the right option. Okay, video will be coming. Actually, I will check the video also here. Don't worry. Wait 1 minute. I will check. Okay, it's good. It's good here. Right. So morning actually we didn't solve the problem. I could remember we didn't solve it now. Right. Next 10th question. 10th question. The angle of rotation of axis in order to or so as to in order to eliminate second degree term, that is xy term of the equation x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square equal to 2a square is, first option is pi by 6, second option is pi by 4, third option is pi by 3, fourth option is pi by 2. See, the angle of rotation of axis in order to eliminate second degree term xy from the equation x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. So that means now we need to compare this to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to something constant. Then a value, 2h value, b value we need to write, and theta need to be now evaluated now here. See, first this equation is to be comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to something constant. See, so now here a equals to x square coefficient is 1, 2h equals to 2 root 3 and b equals to minus 1. Now the angle of rotation, that means axes are to be rotated with an angle of theta is equal to, this is theta, equal to of tan inverse of 2h upon a minus b. So respective values need to be now replaced. Of tan inverse of 2h is 2 root 3 by a stands for 1 minus b, already b is minus 1, minus into minus plus. So that is of tan inverse of 2 root 3 by 2, root 3, tan inverse root 3 is 60 degrees, 1 by 2 into 60 means pi by 3. So this equal to pi by 6, 30 degrees. So the angle of rotation is 30 degrees. Okay, 1 minute. Right, option 1. Right. So, next question now. Eleventh one, the angle of rotation, the angle of rotation, the angle of rotation of axis of axis of axis to remove or eliminate, both are same, xy term of the equation xy is equal to c square is, first one is pi by 12, that is 15 degrees. Second one is, okay, second one is pi by 6. Third one is pi by 3. Fourth one is pi by 4. Okay. So, now the angle of rotation of axis to remove the second degree term from the equation xy is equal to c square. Now, comparing with so this equation need to be compared with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to something constant. Here a equals to x square coefficient offset 0, 2h is equal to 1, xy coefficient, b is equal to 0. So, that means actually here we have the angle of rotation theta is equal to 45 degrees, providing a equals to b. Here see a equals to b. So, therefore, the angle of rotation is 45 degrees. 1 minute. Right. So, now next question follows. 12th problem. Okay. 12th problem. The origin okay, the origin shifted to 1, 2, then the equation y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 changes as changes as or changed as, no problem, y square is equal to 4ax, then a equals to, then a, first option 1, second option 2, third option is minus 2, fourth option is minus 1. See, now the origin is shifted to 1 comma 2, that means this is the origin h comma k. Then this equation is changed to y square is equal to 4ax form, then we need to find out a value. So that means first let us write this one as like this, y square minus 4y equals to 8x minus 12, write down. This is not a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, let us write like this, y square minus 2 into y into 2. Here actually b square term is absent, 2 square, add 4 on both sides, 8x minus 12 plus 4. Now this can be written as y minus 2 whole square equals to 8x minus 8, take 8 common, this is x minus 1. Now when the origin is shifted to this point, now the small x becomes capital X plus h, that means capital X plus 1. Small y becomes capital Y plus k, where k is equal to 2, y capital Y plus 2. So now the transformed equation, new equation is, in the place of y write down y plus 2, in the place of x write down x plus 1. We get now y plus 2 minus 2 whole square equals to 8 times capital X plus 1 minus 1. This gets cancelled. We have y square is equal to 8x. Now this is being compared to this equation now. So now 4a is equal to this 8. Since 4a is equal to 8, we know that a is equal to 2, that's all. So second option is the right option. Right, okay. So next, let us move to the next problem now. Right. So 13th problem.
So once check which pen is working. Check this.
No. Wait. That only, it works for that one only. Right. Thirteenth one. By translation of axis, the equation xy minus x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 changed as xy is equal to c form, then c equals to then C equals to, first option is 4, second option is 5, third option is 6, fourth option is 7. So that means this question is very important question. By translation of axis, the equation becomes xy is equal to C. So that means first degree terms have been actually here eliminated. So that means, so as to eliminate first degree terms, to which point origin is to be shifted, that we need to find out first of all. So that means now this equation comparing with 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here we get 2h is equal to 1, h equals to 1 by 2, 2g is equal to minus 1, g equals to minus 1 by 2. Next 2f equals to 2, f is equal to 1. Now the origin that is h comma k equal to, so that is minus f by h comma minus g by h. Substituting, so minus 1 by, f is 1 minus 1 here, now h is 1 by 2, and next minus g, minus of minus plus of by h is of. So this can be written now minus 2 comma 1. So that means now we need to change this equation now. This equation can be written, so now the small x we can write capital X plus h, that is capital X minus 2, and small y is equal to, we can write capital Y plus k, y plus 1. So now the transformed equation is xy, x minus 2 into y plus 1 minus of x minus 2 plus 2 into y plus 1 minus 6 equals to 0. Now xy plus x minus 2y minus 2, product of these two, and minus x plus 2 plus 2y plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we need to simplify. X gets cancelled, 2y gets cancelled, and this 2 gets cancelled. We have xy is equal to 4. So already given that xy is equal to c. If you compare, c value will be 4. C value will be 4. So first option is the right option. 1 minute. So now fourteenth question. Dhruvamsh, actually here please have gone through your requisitions. So let the program, actually session will be continued. So you put in the comment box this one. Right. When 0 comma 0 shifted to 1 3 comma minus 3, the coordinates of P, Q, R are 5 comma 5 and minus 2 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 7. In the new system are A, B, C. The area of triangle ABC. First option 43, second option 23, third option is 45, fourth option is 50. Fourth option is 50. Right. So now if you read carefully, we will get idea. So even I didn't get the clarity about this problem. So please let me read out the question first of all. When 0 comma 0 shifted to 3 comma minus 3, the coordinates of P comma Q comma R 5 comma 5 minus 2 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 7 in the new system are A comma B comma C. That means actually the coordinates of P comma Q comma R becomes capital A, capital B, capital C, having been origin is shifted to 3 comma minus 3. Then the area of triangle ABC you need to find out. Here a small actually hint is there. So let me check in the software now. Here we have one software. Let me explain here. So now what are the points? Now tell me here 5 comma. So let us look at the points now. What are the points? 5 comma 5. This is 5. This is 5 comma 5. Okay, this is a 5 comma 5. Okay, next point is what? Minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2 comma 4. This is minus 2 comma 4. So next point is what? 7 comma minus 7. 7 comma minus 7. 7 comma minus 7. 7 comma minus 7. Wait. This is 7 comma minus 7. This is 7 comma minus 7. Okay. So these are the points now. Here now let us construct a triangle now. So let us construct a triangle. So like this now. For example, even origin is shifted to any point. You remember one thing here. even origin is shifted to any point, for example, this, so this area of the triangle will not change, area of the triangle will not change. So, that is why now, so that means here the area of triangle PQR is same as area of the triangle ABC. Area formed by the points PQR is same as area formed by the 3 points ABC itself only. That means you need not find out A, you need not find out B, you need not find out C. So, directly area of triangle PQR find out, that is equal to ABC, even though, even if you shift the origin, it won't change, it won't change. So, that means now here so now here area of triangle ABC is same as area of triangle PQR. So, here I will explain one shortcut method. So, here what is the shortcut method means? In order to find out area of the triangle, from all the points, first this point P point and Q point and R point, subtract 5 comma 5. That means subtract 5 comma 5 from 5 comma 5, you get that point becomes 0 comma 0. That means one of the vertices becomes origin. Next, minus 2 comma 4 minus 5 comma 5, that is minus 7 comma minus 1. Now, this point becomes 7 minus 5 2 comma minus 12. Now, area of the triangle formed by these points find out, that is half mod, we have the formula x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is half mod x1 means minus 7 multiplied by y2 means minus 12 and minus x2 is 2 into y1 is we have minus 1. So, this equal to half multiplied by 84 plus 2, that is 86 by 2, which value is 43. So, our answer is 43. First option is the right option. Okay. So, now let us move to the 15th problem. Fifteenth problem. The transformed equation of x square plus 6xy plus 8y square is equal to 10. 8y square is equal to 10. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4 is, okay, first option is 15x square minus 14xy plus 3y square is equal to 20. Second one, 15x square plus 14xy minus 3y square equal to 20. Third option, 15x square plus 14xy plus 3y square equal to 20. Fourth option, 15x square minus 14xy minus 3y square is equal to 20. So, this I will give the suggestion to you and you do it at your home. So, that means what to do? That means now you need to find out the new coordinates and you need to substitute in the given equation, you get the transformed equation. So, that is why actually we need to do like this: capital X, capital Y, small x, small y. This is cos theta minus sin theta, differentiation of cos, sin theta and sin theta differentiation cos theta. So, now here capital X, capital Y, 45 degrees, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 45 is minus 1 by root 2, minus sin 45, sorry, here sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So, this is small x and small y. Now, the x becomes x by capital X by root 2 minus capital Y by root 2, capital X minus y by root 2. Now, small y becomes capital X plus y by root 2. So, these two values need to be substituted in this one and get simplify, you will get the answer. Okay? You try it. Next, 16th problem. When the axes are rotated through an angle okay, through an angle of alpha, the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P is first option x is equal to P, second option y is equal to P, third option x plus P is equal to 0, fourth option y plus P is equal to 0. This is the question. Right. When the axes are rotated through an angle of alpha, then we need to find out the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So, that means actually given here angle of rotation theta is equal to alpha. So, now we can find out equations of transformation capital X, capital Y, small x, small y. This is cos alpha minus sin alpha, here sin alpha, here cos alpha. So now we get small x is equal to capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha. In the similarly, what is small y? X into sin alpha, x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. These two values are to be substituted in this equation. Now the transformed equation is now cos alpha into small x, this value x cos alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha plus in the place of y x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha equal to p. So now we get here cos alpha into x cos alpha, x cos square alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha minus y sin alpha cos alpha plus we have capital X sin square alpha, x sin alpha into sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha, y sin alpha cos alpha equal to p. Here plus y sin alpha cos alpha minus y sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled. If we take x common, we have cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to p. So this equals to 1 we know. So x is equal to p. Locus of x is equal to p is the first option, is the right option. So this is very lengthy method, understood now. So without doing, just by observation of the figure we can tell the answer. So now that let us do it now. That I will explain, but it is not functioning. Let us, I will check now here. Okay, now first I will take one line segment. This is the equation of the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So next drop the perpendicular. It's a new axis rotation. Okay. Okay, let me explain now. See, this is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So generally this is perpendicular. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is the normal form. So this distance is here to here is p and this angle will be alpha. Now the axes are rotated angle alpha. This is a new axis. This is capital X, this is capital Y. Capital Y. You see now this is the required equation. Required equation is parallel to the new y axis and at a distance of p. So now this equation becomes with respect to the new axis x is equal to capital X is equal to p. The equation of the line parallel to the y axis is in the form of x is equal to constant, which is at a distance of p, x is equal to p. So therefore answer is x is equal to p. That's all. Very simple manner we can do this problem. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Seventeenth question. The angle of rotation, the angle of rotation, the angle of rotation okay, angle of rotation of axis so that root 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 transformed as y is equal to k. That means here x term has been missed or eliminated. Is first option pi by 6, second option is pi by 4, third option is pi by 3, fourth option is pi by 2. So that means the angle of rotation of axis so that the x term will be eliminated from root 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the angle of rotation? As it is put in the form of y is equal to k means x term has been eliminated. So that means we have one shortcut already we have discussed. For example, if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is transformed to y is equal to k, the angle of rotation theta is equal to tan inverse of minus a by b, minus a by b. That means now we need to compare this equation with comparing with this equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0, general equation of a straight line. A equals to root 3, b equals to minus 1, c is not necessary for us. Theta is equal to angle of rotation is equal to tan inverse of minus a by b. So that is tan inverse of minus root 3 by minus 1, that is tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 equals to 60 degrees, pi by 3. So angle of rotation is pi by 3. Third option. Venkateshwarlu, Narla, this is the last warning to you. Venkateshwari, Narla Venkateshwari, this is the last warning to you. You will be today eliminated, just like so. This chapter, understood now? This chapter is only elimination of the terms. Eighteenth one. Okay. The angle of rotation, the angle of rotation of axis so that so that 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 transformed as x is equal to k is, that means here the y term has been eliminated. First option tan inverse of 3 by 2, second option tan inverse of minus 2 by 3, third option pi by 4, fourth option is pi by 6. So now the angle of rotation of axis, so that 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 is equal to 0 transformed as x is equal to k. So if it is put in the form of x is equal to k, let me discuss the shortcut. If ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 to be put in the form of x is equal to k, the angle of rotation theta is equal to tan inverse, this will be b by a. For y is equal to k means tan inverse of minus a by b. Here this equation need to be compared to this equation. A equals to 2, b equals to 3. The angle of rotation theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 2. So first option is the right option. Okay. Right. So let us move to the next problem. So 19th question. 19th question. Nineteenth one. The transformed equation of x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1 when the axes are rotated through an angle 90 degrees is. First option x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Second option x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Third option y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1. Fourth option y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, Gopasri, right. See, the angle of rotation is 90 degrees. The transformed equation of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 when the axes are rotated through an angle of 90 degrees, angle of 90 degrees. That means the capital X, capital Y, capital X, capital Y, small x, small y. Here cos 90 is 0, minus sin 90 minus 1, sin 91 cos 90 0. That means here small x becomes minus capital Y, small y becomes capital X. So, very simple, in the place of x y substitute, in the place of y x substitute. The equation, transformed equation is, here we get like this, y square by a square minus, here you will be getting x square by b square is equal to 1. So, which is the right option now? Fourth option will be the right option. Okay. So, that means actually here you remember one thing, whenever 90 degrees means, whenever angle of rotation theta is equal to 90 degrees means, you remember this one. 9:30. X equals to minus y substitute, so whenever theta is equal to 90 degrees, so you remember this condition, x should be replaced by minus y and y should be replaced by x in the given equation. That we need to remember. The question number 20. The question number 20. The line joining two points A 2, 0, B 3, 1 is rotated about A in anti-clockwise direction through an angle of 15 degrees. If B goes to C, then C is equal to, then coordinates of C First option 2 plus 1 by root 2 comma root of 3 by 2. Second option 2 plus 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2. Third option root 2 minus 1 comma root 3 by 2. Fourth option root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 by 3. This is the question. Okay, now the line joining 2 points a 2 comma 0 b 3 comma 1 is rotated about a in anti-clockwise direction through an angle of 15 degrees. If b goes to c, then coordinates of c we need to find out. So that means the line joining the points these two rotated about a in the anti-clockwise direction with an angle of 15 degrees. Then b moves to c. Then coordinates of c we need to find out now. Okay, now let us do this question now. See, this is for example, say this is a, this is b. So now this line segment is rotated with an angle of 15 degrees. So now it moves to c. Then c coordinates you need to find out. Here a is 2 comma 0 and b is 3 comma 1. So what about c? This is the question mark. Okay. So now this can be explained better with the help of this one. See what are the coordinates actually here? A 2 comma 0. A 2 comma 0 means lies on x axis. So next point is 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 means here only. 3 comma 1. Okay. And rotated so rotated with some angle. So now this point is A, this point is B. So now here this point is say A, this point is B, this point is C. Now this angle is equal to given 15 degrees. Now you can find out this angle. This angle is made by AB with x axis. That means we need to find out slope. Now slope of AB, slope of AB, say that is tan theta for example. What is slope of AB here? A coordinates are 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and this is 3 comma 1, B coordinates are. Slope is 1 minus 0 by 3 minus 2, that will be 1. So that means theta is equal to 45, angle of inclination, this 45. Total this angle will be 60 degrees. The AC makes with x axis, this is x axis. So this total angle will be 60 degrees. So now length of AB distance also we need to find out. AB distance is equal to 3 minus 2 1 plus 1 minus 1 1 under root, that will be root 2. So now let us move to here now. So now let us do here. I will explain now here. So total this is making 60 degrees with the x axis. Now AB distance is equal to C, 3 minus 2, 1 square 1, 1 minus 0 1, that will be root 2. This distance will not change, AC distance also root 2. Now it is making 60 degrees, that means now we need to find out coordinates of C which are at a distance of 2 comma 0 making theta angle with x axis. That means we need to apply parametric equations. That means for example C is equal to say x comma y, say this is equal to r value 2, this is theta value theta 60 degrees. We can write this one x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. So this is x1 comma y1. So we can write now 2 plus r is root 2 cos 60, root 2 into cos 60 is root 3 by 2 comma y1 means 0 plus r is 2 root 2, sorry, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is root 3 by 2. So now we can write this is equal to 2 plus root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. This will be now we can write this is 2 gets cancelled, not sorry 1 minute, I did mistake. So 1 minute, r value will be root 2 into root 3 by 2. So now root 3 by root 2 means this we can write root 3 by root 2. So this equals to 2 plus 1 by root 2 comma root of 3 by 2. So that means first option is the right option. Okay. Right, next problem. First problem. Okay. So 1 minute. So now actually in the last class what happened means we have not discussed some of the locus problems, just we have the 3 problems that we will complete it now, locus problems. Okay, locus leftover problems. So I don't have the question number idea, so better I can say like this now. Okay, 21, keep it up, no problem. Let A equals to 2 comma 5. Tomorrow I am going to start new chapter, that is second year chapter. Okay, right. And B equals to 4 comma minus 1 or two vertices of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Third vertex C moves along L equals to 9x plus 7y plus 4 equals to 0. The locus of the centroid of triangle ABC is, this is the question. Vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay. Let A is equal to 2 comma 5 and B is equal to 4 comma minus 1 are the two vertices of a triangle ABC. Third vertex C moves along the line 9x plus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle ABC we need to find out. Okay, right. So now the first one, 9x minus 7y minus 22 equals to 0. Second one, 9x plus 7y plus 22 equals to 0. Third option, 27x plus 21y minus 77 equals to 0. Fourth option, 27x plus 21y minus 78 equals to 0. Yes, Surya Prakash, take it granted. Right. Don't give the numbers and etc. Okay. A equals to 2 comma 5, B equals to 4 comma minus 1 are the two vertices of triangle ABC. Third vertex moves on this line, then the locus of the centroid of triangle ABC we need to find out. So let us do in separate page. Okay. So now let us construct, this is not working, let it be stopped now. Leave it now, right. Say this is triangle ABC, let us say this is C, vertex C, this is moves on this one like this, on this line. This line is 9x okay, 9x plus 7y plus 4 equals to 0. Here vertex A given that 2 comma 5 and B vertex given that 4 comma minus 1. C vertex is not given. Then the what we need to find out now here, locus of the centroid. We do not know the centroid. This is the centroid, let us say G, say this is x comma y, locus of x comma y we need to find out. See, one thing you remember okay, now one thing you remember, whenever two vertices and centroid is given, third vertex we can find out using simple this formula. C is equal to 3 centroid minus sum of the given vertices. This you remember shortcut. So 3 times G, that means 3 of x comma y. Treat as a 1 by 2 matrix. This is 1 row 2 column, minus you need to add these 2 vertices, 2 plus 4 6 comma 4. This we can write now 3x minus 6 comma 3y minus 4. This is the C, vertex C, but it lies on this curve. Substitute in this one. So now we get like this. Required locus is 9 into 3x minus 6, because C lies on that line. 7 multiplied by 3y minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Let it be simplified. 27x minus 54 plus 21y minus 28 plus 4 equals to 0. Now the 27x plus 21y, so minus 54, 28, how much? 1282, okay. 82, 4, 78. This will be minus 78 equals to 0. So which is the right option now? Which is the right option? This fourth option is the right option. Okay, it might be there. Second problem. Okay. Let A 2 comma 3, B minus 2 comma 1, B vertices of a triangle ABC. If the centroid of this triangle moves on the line 2x plus 3y equals to 1, then the locus of the vertex C is, this is the question. Right. First option 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Second option 2x minus 3y equals to 7. third option 2x plus 3y equals to 4, fourth option 2x plus 3y equals to 9. So, this is somewhat different from the previous problem. This is actually somewhat different from the previous problem. Here A 2 comma 3, B minus 2 comma 1 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Centroid of this triangle this time, not the vertex C. Centroid of the triangle moves on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Then the locus of the vertex C. Now we need to say C is equal to x comma y. We need to find out the centroid and substitute the centroid in the given line. Then you get the answer. So that means now let us do in separate page. This is the triangle A B C. A coordinates are 2 comma 3, B coordinates are minus 2 comma 1. The locus of C we need to find out x comma y. Centroid means the point of intersection of the medians, say G, we do not know. This moves on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. First let us find out centroid. G is equal to formula we know x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. That means this is nothing but arithmetic mean of x coordinates by arithmetic mean of ordinates y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Correct. So now this is equal to 0 plus x by 3. Directly I am writing. This will be 4 plus y by 3. This will be x by 3 comma y plus 4 by 3. According to the problem, it lies on this line. Okay. So now the locus of C is 2 times x by 3 plus 3 times y plus 4 by 3 equals to 1. Multiply 3 on both sides. 2x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 3. That implies 2x plus 3y equals to 9. So which is the right option? So which is the right option? Fourth option is the right option. Dhruvamsh definitely will become a good leader. I hope so. Okay. Next question. So today we are in the last labs. 23rd question or 24th? Okay, 24th, leave it, no problem, whatever question may be. Right. Okay, we need to change the option now here, better. It's correct. Minus 9 is correct. Right. Okay. 24th question. The equation x minus 2 whole square plus y square under root plus x plus 2 whole square plus y square under root equals to 4 represents what does it represent? First one, a pair of lines, second, a parabola, third one, a line segment, fourth one, a circle. So now it appears to be like this. First, let us write this one as x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square write down. This is nothing but distance between x comma y to 2 comma 0 point. This can be written x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 4. So this is nothing but distance from x comma y to b point. That means it seems to be rather PA plus it seems to be rather PB equal to 4. Here A equals to the point is 2 comma 0, B point will be minus 2 comma 0. Now this is K. Distance between these 2 points let us find out. AB is equal to, since x coordinates are different, y coordinates are same, that is mod of x2 minus x1. So mod of minus 4 equal to 4. That means here AB, K equals to AB. Therefore, it represents a line segment. If K greater than AB, that is ellipse. So that means a line segment. These questions are very, very important. Some more problems you need to practice this. Okay. This is end today the class. Thank you one and all. Bye. See you. See, I could remember the problems, leftover problems in each chapter also. That will be on fine morning I will complete all the problems also. Don't worry.